Dear viewer, in this video we are going to talk about Tubebuddy. This is a must-have, and helps in many ways to get better on YouTube. We are going to talk today about the phone version and view some of the features in the phone version. First, I want to emphasize that this is the free version and therefore not all functions are available. The advantage with Tubebuddy is that with multiple accounts you can immediately see the state of affairs. At the bottom is an overview of the videos you have made and the reactions to them. With trophies you also see the state in which Tubebuddy more or less rewards your progress. This with milestones in your views or amount of uploads that have been made. And not to mention the amount of subscribers. This is ultimately the whole purpose of all effort. The nice thing is that you can easily share these milestones on Facebook, and other social media or WhatsApp. Under the menu button you can see many more functions that we can discuss later. If you want to see this I will spend a second video on it. Here is a quick view of my current YouTube channels with the amount of video uploads, views, and subscribers. I would also like to mention that it is super motivating for me to see those yellow view numbers shoot up. This happens when loading your YouTube channel, and the views difference between your previous visit to Tubebuddy. Here you can filter what you would like to see or not. The news that is frequently searched for, or which is currently very popular, is mentioned here. The reason why this is very useful is because many YouTubers like to make videos about what interests the viewers. This is preeminently the best to consult. As discussed earlier, there are many more features that Tubebuddy offers, but in my case these have not yet been used, and some only work with a paid version. I used this until recently, but just before recording this video the subscription had expired. I would like to advise anyone who is a little bit serious about getting started with YouTube, to download this program and try out its features. Tubebuddy lives up to its name. For now I thank everyone for watching this short intro video for Tubebuddy, phone version, and wish everyone the best with his, or her channel. Oh yes, don't forget to like, share, and give your thumbs up. Feel free to post a comment about this video below in the comments. If you also love gadgets like people on this channel, I would love to see you again in one of our following videos.